If you're after what is arguably the purest form of Audi's legendary 5-cylinder turbocharged power plant, then we have this mesmerising 2018 Audi RS3 Sportback, equipped with a DAZA engine, and we believe it is the pick of the bunch. Unrestricted by any form of particulate filter, it offers the richest version of what is the most orchestral soundtrack and is highly prized by automotive enthusiasts all over the world. Stunningly presented in a flawless coat of Ara Blue Crystal paintwork, the jewel-like appearance of which has been amplified yet further by our meticulous 60-hour preparation process, including a multi-stage paint correction to ensure an unparalleled appearance. Adding to the extraordinary condition is an impressive factory specification, featuring over £11,000 of Audi's finest optional extras, including the rare carbon fibre interior inlays, the RS Sport exhaust system, the matrix LED headlights, the wireless phone charging, the super sport seats, the high fidelity Bang & Olufsen sound system, plus much more. Offered with just 25,800 miles and 2 former enthusiast keepers from new, and complete with a comprehensive Audi main dealer service history, including every single invoice from the point of purchase. This is one of the most painstakingly maintained examples in the country, so if you want to find out more information about it, please head over to our website or give us a quick call.